Let's go over how to make custom icons for Custom Folder Manager. If I want to add a system that I may not have, we'll try just a random system like Dreamcast. Obviously, we can't run the Dreamcast, but I'm going to do an icon for it anyway. I'm going to go into Google and just search for an image of the Sega Dreamcast. Go to the images. Find something that I would possibly use. This looks like I could use this one. I'm going to save the image. Once it downloads, I'm going to show in the folder. I'm going to right click on it and I'm going to click open with, and most Windows operating systems have Paint. So I'm going to use Paint to open it up. And I'm going to go into the part where it says resize. I'm going to turn off the option for maintain aspect ratio. I do it this way so all the icons are roughly the same size as thumbnails and they do not look odd. So I'm turning off the maintain aspect ratio. I'm resizing by pixels. And as a standard, I use 360 by 360. It works out really well that way. Now that's what it's going to look like. Now I'm going to go up to the top left and I'm going to save it as, and you want to save it as a ping. So I'm going to where I have my setup at, into my folder images. And I'm going to make it just for my setup, icon, Sega Dreamcast. And I title it 1 in case I want to add another one, but now that that's done, I'll open up the Hackshi GUI. And if you have your settings set up for pages, folder structure, custom show folder manager every time, when you go to synchronize games, it'll go to that instead. So I'm going to go to the top where it says home menu. I'm going to create a new folder and just make it Sega Dreamcast. Now that newly added icon, I can get right through here. And now it'll show up on my GUI if I decide to use this. Very unlikely that we'll ever have Sega Dreamcast, but it could be a good hopeful wish. But after you're done adding the icon, if you do not want to sync yet, just click cancel. And do you want to save this folder structure? Click yes. Then you can go back to what you're doing. But that's how you add custom icons.